This is a test of the Skywatcher GTI mount. I'm using Sigma 150 to 600 millimeter lens, and I'm using an extender 1.4 extender, Canon 1.4 that is extender. So I'm just testing to see how well it tracks and for how long it will continue before I'll have to make any adjustment. So I will give you the timing at the end to see how far it will go keeping this track before I'll have to do any adjustment. And it's mighty windy today. I'm talking about 16 miles per hour wind. Using my van to really block some of the wind. It's not totally blocking the wind, as you can see the video is shaking, but it is blocking quite a bit of the wind because my van is a Dodge Grand Caravan. It's pretty tall. I'm using also a Jackery 500 and an ASI Air Plus to do the guiding. Solar, of course, we're using doing solar guiding. And why am I doing this? Because today is the 29th of March, and I've booked a few days up in Vermont for the April 8th solar eclipse that is coming up. I'm watching the live cam from Vermont every day, and I'm seeing it snowing up there and raining almost every day. So with a little over a week to go, I'm just praying and hoping that things change up there and we'll have a wonderful, nice day on the 8th of April. I see Trevor Jones, he's going to New Brunswick, which is much farther north than where I'm going, so I'm assuming if I have bad weather, then he's going to be all out of luck also. So we pray that that does not happen, that it will be a wonderful day. Even if it's snow, it does not mean that we won't have a nice day. It could be snowing early in the morning and clear up in the afternoon, so we'll see what happens. So this is a test I've been doing these tests for the past month and a half, almost every clear day. And I was using the Skywatcher EQM35 mount, which is the first mount I bought. And it did a wonderful job. Wonderful job. Tracked for some 30 minutes without any problem. And so far this mount, the Skywatcher GTI, it's running now. I have it timing. Let's see what time I am having now, because 4 minutes and 45 seconds so far, and it does not even look like it moved from where it was, as you could see the video. So it seemed like it's on par to match the EQM35 or even surpass that. So I'm praying that is the case. This is much lighter mount. I have the HEQ5, which is very heavy, so I'm hoping I don't have to bring that one. Well, I might bring it to hopefully do some night astrophotography also, but for the solar eclipse, I don't want to be logging around that heavy mount in the daytime. Again, this is over 5 minutes now, and it's still holding perfectly, so good sign so far. We'll see. I'm in a parking lot in Staten Island, New York, 29th of March, as I stated before, and it is very, very windy. Very windy day. And I'm using, of course, Thousand Oaks filter, and it's been pretty good. As you see, the color, I like this. I do have the other filter which give you this white image, which I also like, but I'm just testing to see which one I preferred, and I think I'll prefer this orange yellow color look to the white, even though I might use that one also on another camera to have different options.